Hey guys, welcome back to Tall Tine Outdoors. So, I did a couple of videos a few years ago talking about all my saddle equipment, how I built my own platform, how I went with the XOP steps, how I was transporting them, just everything that goes along with saddle hunting that I did. Well, last year I decided to make a change, and there were some things I wanted to do to make it quieter, to make it easier to go up, and the main thing was to make it lighter as I'm carrying into the woods. So what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to go through some of those things and show you what I've done different with my saddle that may help you be able to be lighter and quieter as you go in the hunting woods to get closer to the deer's bed. So stick around with me. Give me just a few minutes. I'm gonna have everything ready sitting here in front of you, and we'll get this party started. Thank y'all for sticking around and watching Tall Tine Outdoors. Alright guys, so like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna go over some of the things that I've changed as far as my hunting setup. So as y'all all remember, the platform that I was using is a DIY platform that I actually built myself that has worked awesome. I still use it right now on certain hunts, but I wanted to change it up. I wanted to be able to get away from the metal strap, and I wanted to go to daisy chains. And with the way that I built my platform, I cannot use daisy chains. It has to be done with a strap to be able to get the cam over like it needs to. So I went ahead and purchased the Tethered Predator platform. It has a lot of the same similarities as the one that I bought. The only difference is now I can use daisy chain, which is how I have mine set up now. It comes with a rope, strap, however way you want to put it on, but I wanted it to be quieter. I wanted it to be easier to go up the tree, put it up without making any extra noise. My daisy chain is long, which I'm planning on making it a little shorter. But with the daisy chain, it goes on the same way as my platform did. Put it on, wrap the daisy chain around the tree. I actually wrap it twice, sometimes three. It just depends on where the link falls at. This particular link right now, I still need to go one more wrap. So I'll go another full wrap, and it fit perfect. Drop this down. So there is the link right there. So I'll actually cam it over. I'll shove it down a little bit. Cam it over. There it is, guys. It ain't going. It's locked. If it still doesn't feel like it's locked solid enough, lift it up, push it down a little bit more. Now it's locked. It's not going anywhere. That daisy chain isn't going to go nowhere, and it has made my setup a lot quieter. So I don't have the clinking and the banging, and that's kind of the reason why I haven't cut no more of it off, because this is basically the diameter size tree that I want to go up. So by changing up with the daisy chain, it has gave me the opportunity to be much quieter. Now, one of the things I did do to it, as I wrapped this thing around, one of the things I did is I put a bungee cord on the other end of it, right here. So that bungee cord will keep the rope tight. It doesn't fall off of it. It's quiet. The only noise is actually right there where it bangs together a little bit, but you can pinch it together, there's no noise. And I also still have my little rope, and I'll go over what this little rope is for here in just a little bit. But guys, that's my new platform setup. Again, I still use the one that I built. It just doesn't get used the way this one does, because my plans this year is to go deeper into the woods. I'm hunting public property, and I want to go to some places that I've got to go walk in at least a mile in. One of the places is 2 miles in to be able to hunt. And I want to be as quiet and as light as I can. So that's the platform setup. Stick around, Next episode, I'm going to show you what I bought for my sticks, what I changed up there, again, to make things lighter and quieter. So stick around for the next episode, guys, and thank y'all for watching Tall Tying Outdoors.